Hello guys, Shraddha here. As per my last video, I shared that I have got some questions, 9 to 10 questions like messages, and I am going to cover those messages in my next 2 to 3 videos. So today I am trying to cover 3 to 4 questions. Let's see how it goes. So let me read questions at first for you so that you can get to know what will be the session all about. Okay, so let's read the questions at first. So first question that I am going to cover today is how to write a book, or what are the ways that one should do to write a book. Next is how is writing connected with marketing, and next is can someone earn money through writing, and I would like to talk about topic for writing that one can decide or to write upon. So what are some of the topics? So let's start with the ways that, or the how to go with writing a book. So what are the steps that you need to follow to write a book? And I would say that to write a book, not just to write a book, but to write a book without spending a single penny. So let's start. So when I talk about my writing journey, so in the very beginning I didn't know about very much about the publishers. I thought like they will be asking for a lot of money, that I can't ask my parents to give it for writing a book like 25,000 or 30,000. So I kept exploring different ways to write a book. So I got connected with 2 to 3 authors, other authors. They didn't clear things up, but I got an idea that we can do it online too. Like with that, actually they didn't intend to tell me about the clear picture, but still, like whatever they communicate with me, so I get to know a rough idea about there are some ways where we can write online, like we can write something online and like we can get a book, just that we need to spend 10 to 20,000 rupees on it. So I kept exploring like for around, I think, 5 to 6 months in 2018. So one day I came across to know about Notion Press. So I just went through the app, and that time Story Mirror was there, but they haven't that provision to like write a book or write their story kind of thing. We were just allowed to write write-ups as a story poem or like articles there, and blogs too. So I explored Notion Press a bit. So I got to know, when I clicked on Notion Press website, so I got to know that to write a book we need to like take some subscription or some premium or like some gold version of it, that different kind of versions that companies used to provide. So I thought like it's not something that I am looking for. Still I was looking for some platform, because I have words, I have written it, no one is going to do something for me. They just need to publish my words, and if they if my words and my whatever story I have written, if people are liking it, so like they can get a good reach, right? And that time Notion Press was not that famous when I started writing there. So back in 2019, one day I was just like exploring something to write a book, and I got to know about that Notion Press is like self-publishing. Like if I am spending my time to write a book, if I am doing all editing, grammatical error check and everything I am doing, and I am not asking anyone from Notion Press to do something or to work on my book, then they are not going to ask a single penny from your side. So I just like got what I was looking for. I just started talking to the like assistant that there is in that app. So I started talking to them, and it was like it would be my luck or what. So there was a girl, actually not a robot. So whatever I was asking, she was giving the exact answers for my question, and not that customized like or pre-written answer kind of thing. So I started asking about the thing, how to write a book, what should be my first step, how to make a cover, because that time I was not at all, I was standing nowhere when it comes to graphic designing. So how could I how could I do or make a cover photo or front page of a book? So it would be hard for me, right? So okay, so what I did is I started exploring the app for 3 to 4 days, and I started trying to understand the ways that one needs to write a book or to finish a book. Okay, so I just started writing from that preface, acknowledge, dedication, different kind of page that they used to ask for, starting 4 to 5 pages. So once I'm done with these, I thought of making cover photo or that main book, like front photo of a book. So for cover photo, I just started working on it. If topic is unknown gems of India, so I started looking for some faces which are famous. Like if we talk about their work, they are famous in their colony or wherever, like some roadside, or if they are in hut or some like rural area, so they are famous there, but we don't know anything about those people. So I just downloaded one photo, I put it there in Unknown Gems of India, and I tried to editing the letter cover page. So finally I got it. It was not so difficult, but yes, still it was my first attempt, so it was a bit difficult for me. So when you will do it, it would be difficult for some set of people, but not for all, because if you are fine in this graphic designing, so you can do it and you can explore a lot in it. So once I am done with cover page, I started writing my manuscript, and I already had one PDF of whatever story or whatever like content I had. So I started uploading it there, and finally I got stuck in, like, once I completed my book, all that table of content, and then like my introduction, everything I just done it. And then I got stuck in like how to submit that script. Actually there was some problem. So it, like, they used to ask about paper quality, gloss or matte, something like, there are some varieties, then size of page that you want, and then again like different kind of things they used to ask for. And once you are done with selecting these things, they'll ask you to submit it. But when I was clicking the submit button, so it was not at all working for me. So what I did, I tried to reach out one of their assistant for us. So I communicated with him, and then he said that you just are you done with your write-up? I said yes. So he said that you can check it once again. Once you are done with it, just make a call to me and I'll submit it for you. So I did the same that he said me to do it. So yes, I did it, and then he submitted the my manuscript, and it was under publishing process for I think 6 to 7 days. And after 6 to 7 days, I got a mail in my Gmail ID that your book has been published, and within 2 to 3 days I got to know that they have also like put my book in Amazon and Flipkart. So my book was in Notion Press store, then in Amazon, and then in Flipkart, without spending any money. What I did is, like, I just start writing on it. I just shared my words, I just shared my story or that article or whatever. Like, it was a collection of around 23 to 25 some unknown people who are doing a lot of things for India, and we don't know them, we don't know who they are. So I tried to focus on those people. So yes, so once I was done with it, they just like published my book, and it was a great experience. So yes, that was something that I found amazing, because like no one does such kind of things. Because if I am not getting something, so why I'll do some work for someone else. But still somewhere at the corner of my mind, it was saying like it is marketing, as they are not so famous, but still they are publishing books, so it's also a way of marketing. But it's good for an author. If you are a beginner and you want some place to write your script, so it's a great place. And yes, make sure that you are not making any mistake, grammatical and all these things, because they may reject your manuscript. Because I got rejected by two to three publishers where I was ready to pay something, but yeah, they rejected my, like, whatever stuff I sent to them. So they rejected it. I got rejected 3 times, and then I got to know about Notion Press. I started writing there, and once I submitted it, they accepted my whatever manuscript I sent to them, and within a week it got published, and within around 8 to 10 days it was there on Amazon and Notion Press and Flipkart too. So that was a great experience. I would like if you guys also write your book. It's okay if you are covering 60 to 7, that's actually if you are covering around 100 pages, so that's great. But if you are a beginner, as a beginner, so you can write around 60 to 70 pages, that's okay. You can cover some quotes that you have written, or some small stories, or you can also read something and then you can rewrite it, and whatever content like you get in your mind, you just try to write it, and then you can write a book. Because being an author, if you are going to your college or your professional life, so being an author is something that makes you stand out of the crowd. So I would like to suggest you to write a book, and if somewhere you face any kind of problem, just let me know. I am always there to help you out. Just let me know. Main thing is, if you won't tell me that what kind of problems you are facing, so I won't be able to like solve it, or I won't be able to help you, right? Yes, so that's so I'm done with my first answer. Now I will be covering, can someone earn money by writing something or content writing? Okay, so it has been around, I think 4 to 5 4 to 5 years since I'm in writing profession, and yes, I'm earning a lot. And whatever question I used to ask on Quora, they are paying me. Whatever content I am writing for different companies, they are paying me. Whatever articles I am writing for some websites, again they are paying me. Like they are giving some money out of it, whatever, if my content is good and all this. So from 3 to 4 places I am getting paid for my work, for my writing. If you are good and your skills are good, so your script will be accepted in various websites, and once it gets accepted, whatever number of views, if there are 10 views or 20 views, so according to the number of views you will be paid for it. So yes, a writer can earn a good and decent amount of money. If you want to also do the same, you can start writing and you can focus more on it. So that would be a great way to one kind of market yourself, because being an author, you would be everywhere, your name would be everywhere, so you will be something like famous kind of personality, and everyone would love to connect with you, and there would be some good feeling in your mind that yes, you have done something in your life. Next question is, how is writing connected to marketing? So if I talk about how is writing connected to marketing, so I would say, suppose if I want to promote a product, right? If I want to promote one pen, so is that fine? Like if I talk about pen, so it would be fine if I am putting it in website without writing anything, so people will buy it without any constraint. But if I say that I am trying to sell some product or beauty products, or some product related to workout like dumbbells and all these things, so why would people prefer your product? For that you need to describe your product, and to describe your product you need writing skills. It's not like it is dumbbell and made of iron and all these things. You can't write it in this manner. You have to focus on the features of the product. So to focus on the features of the product, you need to there should be some writing skills in you, because everyone can write, but the thing that will make your write-up stand out of the crowd, the thing that will help customers to attract towards your product, which will be coming from your writing skills. So if I say that I need to promote one product, so I will be making one story kind of thing. So dumbbells, so I will be making one story related to dumbbells, or if someone is struggling to do, then he started like using our products and like this is the result, some kind made up story. It's not like कि story हमेशा really होनी चाहिए. Being a marketer person, being someone who is in writing field, so it's okay if you are mixing it up, like you are using fictitious story and then you are using some kind of real story. And yes, someone asked it also that can I mix up fictitious and real? Yes, you obviously you can do it, because when we are in writing, so we need to like touch a certain like number of words that is very much required when it comes to writing. Like if I talk about Twitter, so microblogging, right? So you just need to put like limited text there. But if I talk about LinkedIn, then you can go till 700 words. So for 700 words you can write just 3 to 4 if they have like set one limit. So it's good if you are touching that limit, right? Because in LinkedIn I have seen that if your blog or your article is big, around 600 to 700 words, people will love to read it. If I talk about 2 to 3 line codes, so people maybe they won't show that interest in it. So, but if you are explaining something and each and every line are connected to each other, so people would love to know about what next, like what happened next, such kind of thing. So it's good if you are explaining it very well. So to explain it very well, you can use some words from your side. You need not to write only those things which is very much real, but yes, आपको इतना भी ओवर नहीं करना है एकदम एक्सैजरेशन टाइप का लगे. मतलब इतना लिखो जो सच लगे, और अगर आप उसमें कुछ मिक्स भी कर रहे हो, मिर्च मसाला भी डाल रहे हो, तो वो कुछ अजीब ना लगे. सो दैट वुड बी ग्रेट इफ यू फोकस ऑन like besides quantity, you are also focusing on the quality. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment in your circle. And yes, start writing your book. It's okay if you are covering 40 to 50 pages, but just start writing your book. At the end of the day, when you'll get to know, get mail that you have been a published writer, so that feeling would be great. I have felt that, so I want you to feel the same, right? There is no harm, there is nothing to lose about. So you just need to, what you need to do is you go to Notion Press, just use it. There is a self-publishing option, so you can use it, and there is always an assistant there, so you can ask help from him or her. So, and yes, if still you face any kind of problem, just let me know. I'll help you and I'll solve your problem. Yes, also I can complete your book if somewhere in the middle you got stuck, so I can do it. So thank you so much. We'll be coming soon with another 2 to 3 questions. So yes, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.